Hello, everyone. Welcome to FM 312 summer session. So, the text that we will be using is a book titled Sustainability and Social Change in Fashion. So, we will be talking about sustainability, also social change and ethical issues. All right, so this is the home area. It gives you an overview of the course down here that you can go back and read. This is the getting started area. Everything you need to know for an online course is in this area, okay? Next, we have announcements. There are not any announcements yet, but this actual video will be a video announcement. So you will see all announcements here, and there will be a weekly announcement at the beginning of each week. If you need to contact me, this is my information. You have my email, phone number, and the best form of contact is email. And I do welcome conversations if anyone wants to do Blackboard Collaborate. But when you initially reach out to me, please reach out to me via email because that's what I check most frequently. All right. So assignments, course content. This is where you will go each week after you've read the announcements. You come here and you will click on whatever week that we're on. The first thing you guys need to do is the welcome assignment. Once you complete this discussion assignment, you will get credit for being here and you will not get dropped out of the class. If you get enrolled, wait 2 weeks to start doing your work and did not complete this, you will probably be dropped from the class by the end of the first week because it will look like you're not here. Okay, so your learning modules will be organized within weeks. So you'll have the title of the learning module and your learning objectives, and the date is what you will see. You click on that, you're going to see a weekly overview. It tells you what we're doing this week, what are the main concepts of this week, why is this important. You're going to have assigned reading material every week. Okay, you're going to have to read and read for understanding, not just completion. Okay, so make sure that you're actually absorbing the information. If it's not sticking, read it again. Maybe find some other articles on the topic if you want to do additional research on the topics. But the minimum is going to be required here. Okay, I always suggest doing any additional research if you feel that you want to dig deeper. Okay, but your quiz and your discussion questions will be mainly based on your assigned readings. If you have, once you're doing a research project, that's when you'll need to seek additional sources, is when we're doing discussions. But for quizzes, it'll be directly from the assigned readings. Okay, so you have a quiz due on Friday the 22nd. All of your assigned readings are in this folder. Okay, PowerPoint, flashcards, 2 videos, 2 articles. All right, let's go back. All right, and then this is your quiz. Okay, so please note that quizzes, you cannot make up quizzes. Okay, once the due date is gone, it's gone. So do not wait until the last minute to take your quizzes. Make sure that your computer is fully charged. Make sure you're using a reliable device. Make sure you have reliable internet before you start the quiz. And just make sure that that testing environment that you choose is supportive, okay? If your computer dies in the middle of the quiz, you're only going to be graded for the numbers of items that you did complete, okay? So you guys are responsible for making sure that you eliminate any chances for technical difficulties, okay? So this week, we're only going to have a quiz. Starting next week, you guys will have a quiz and a discussion assignment each week. And then you will have a final exam, which will be collectively information from all of the learning modules. If there are any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. And you guys, I want you to have a great summer, a great remote summer, and let's get this week started.